Hi, we're Big Wise dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Whether you're going meatless to improve overall health or eating meatless for Lent,
cooking with lentils is a great way to replace meat in recipes.
Stuffed peppers. Sauté onion, leek, and thyme with butter. Add mushrooms, then lentils. Deglaze mixture with wine, then set aside. In a bowl, combine bread, lentil mixture, cooking stock, salt, and pepper. Stuff peppers with prepared mixture. Bake until tops are golden and enjoy.
Garlicky lentil ragu. Heat oil and add onion, celery, and carrot, then cook until soft. Add garlic and cook 1 more minute. Add cooked lentils, tomatoes with juice, butter, and thyme. Cook while stirring often until mixture thickens. Season with salt and pepper, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle with Parmesan to serve over pasta.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigy.com.